Bonnets at church one day. Dulcie and Daisy and Dorothy May. Green bonnets that nod in a row, each bonnet tied with a green ribbon bow. One pair of blue eyes and one pair of gray, and one pair of brown eyes that Dorothy made. Head at the close of day, Dulcie and Daisy and Dorothy May. Three little heads of clustering curls, three little beds and three little girls. Brown eyes are sleeping, and blue eyes and gray, but angels are keeping at Dorothy May. Green bonnets have had their day. Dulcie and Daisy and Dorothy May. Three green bonnets roll on unawares, hang from three pegs at the foot of the stairs, and blue eyes are swollen, and so